Okay, so I already have my first baking mistake, which is that I forgot to feed my starter, and I didn't realize it until I had potatoes on the stove. Shit. Don't burn. Fuck. Okay, alright, this is fine. Let me feed the starter so that way I can focus on the other food that I'm trying to make. Great. Okay. It's been a couple days. Definitely has that nice, funky starter flavor. Put that down there. Tear it. Show 0. And then same thing. Little flour, little water. Okay, fuck, I can hear the potatoes burning. Oh, shit. Come on. Hey, okay. 5. Oh, well, that's close enough. Okay, fuck. Shit. Okay. Okay, here she is. Ew. Yeah, exact right consistency. Still super nice and funky fresh. Check that out. Alright. I just like to scrape the sides of it because you can see that there's like a lot of dried out sort of funk there. And I just want to like get that down into my mixture. This is a case where like you want some good bacteria. Get that good stank. That sounds sexual. Ew. Hey, smells good. Alright. So, here she is. Gonna pop my rag cover on top and leave her to sit some more until I remember to feed her again. Okay, fuck. I gotta fix my potatoes.